Hello everyone, welcome back to Solo Bro Highlights. Well, let's check out what we got here today. We got some pretty good skins all around. So many skins that are available, not particularly my favorites, but I do like this bull skin right here. Ooh, that's a pretty unique sound right there. Wow. But overall, yeah, this skin looks to be pretty nice. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oof.